In the previous video, we were able to simplify logarithm expressions where we have long forms or long logarithm combinations and then it is being reduced to 1. But now in this video, we are going to solve logarithm equations. So let's take a recap again on what we have done so far. So this line, x raised to the power n is equals to y, and the logarithm form will be log y to base x, which is equals to n. This shows the addition law, the subtraction law, the power law. Log to the same base and of the same number is equals to 1, and log of any base to a number 1 is equals to 0. Now we have 3 equations to solve for a start. So you can pause the video now and give it a try. The whole game here is to apply the laws of logarithm rather, and once we apply the laws of logarithm, we'll be able to evaluate the value of x. Now let's begin with number 1. We are given log x to base 10 is equals to 3. Now we will recall well that when we have x raised to the power n is equals to y, the logarithm form will be log y to base x is equal to n. Therefore, we are saying here that x therefore will be equals to 10 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, x is equals to 10 multiplied by 10. Okay, multiplied by 10. Therefore, x is equal to 1000. Simple and short. Let's go again. We're given in the second question log 81 to base x is equals to 4, and we are asked to evaluate x. So we'll apply the same format that we have here. Okay, well, we'll apply x to the power n is equals to y. Okay, let's use blue pen for this section. X to the power n is equals to y, and the logarithm format will be log of y to base x is equals to n. Therefore, what we are saying here is that 81 is equals to x raised to the power of 4. So the question now is, what are we going to multiply by itself 4 times such that we'll get 81? So we can divide this and say x raised to the power of 4 is equals to 81, and x now will be the 4th root of 81, and the 4th root of 81 is 3, because 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81. So therefore x is 3. Okay, let's proceed. And finally, to the third question, it says if log x minus log 2x minus 1 is equals to 1, find x. So we have log x minus log 2x minus 1 is equal to 1, and we are asked to evaluate x. Now in this case, we are saying that there is no base, therefore the assumed base here will be base 10. Okay, now we are seeing a subtraction sign, which shows that we'll have to involve the subtraction law here. So let's write out the recall subtraction law. It says log p over q to base b is equals to log p to base b minus log q to base b. Now in this case, we are going backwards. Okay, so we'll turn everything here into a single entity. Now let's solve. So that means our x in this case will be our p in this case, and our 2x minus 1 is considered as our q in this case. Therefore, this will give us our log x divided by 2x minus 1, okay, is to base 10 is equal to 1. Now 1 in itself, now we can go this in different ways, solving this in different ways. Now 1 itself can be written again as log 10 to base 10. Okay, log 10 to base 10. However, to establish understanding further, We can now go back again to our format and say that x raised to the power n is equals to y. If x raised to the power n is equals to y, then the logarithm index of this format will be log of y to base x is equals to n. Therefore, all we have to do is to convert this entity here, that means log x over 2x minus 1 to base 10 is equals to 1, to its index form. So when we convert it to the index form, we have x divided by 2x minus 1 is equals to 10 raised to the power of 1. Therefore, we have x divided by 2x minus 1, 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. So in this case, we'll cross multiply. So we have x is equals to 10 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Therefore, we can simplify x from here. So x will be equals to 20x minus 10. So we can bring x like times now. So x minus 20x is equals to minus 10. So this will be minus 19x is equals to minus 10. Therefore, x will be equals to minus 10 divided by minus 19. And this will give us 10 divided by 19. Now, if we put 10 divided by 19 back into the equation, you can try it on your calculator. We are going to get 1.